This man is Yoshikazu Tanaka. At just 26 years old, he was working at Rakuten, Japan's e-commerce giant. But in his spare time, a side project was consuming him. From his apartment, with quick, precise movements across his keyboard, Tanaka was building something new. Something that would connect people in a way Japan hadn't seen before. He wasn't just writing code. He was architecting a digital society. With a determined look and a lot of grit, he launched a social networking service, or SNS, as a hobby. He named it Gree. He was inspired by the 6 degrees of separation theory, the idea that everyone is just 6 social connections away from anyone else on the planet. The site exploded. In months, the site had tens of thousands of users. Tanaka, seeing the immense potential, made a life-changing decision. He left his stable job and, with focused intensity, founded Gree, Inc., betting everything on the future of mobile connection. This decision wouldn't just make him rich. It would make him Asia's youngest self-made billionaire. He would pioneer a model that would define the next decade of mobile gaming. At the heart of Tanaka's vision was a powerful, elegant concept: the unified social platform. Imagine your digital life, scattered across different apps and games, each with its own login and separate friends list. It's a mess. Tanaka envisioned a single, unified Gree ID for everyone. This Gree ID was the master key to an entire ecosystem. A user could sign up once, and then seamlessly jump from a monster-collecting game to a city builder, carrying their friends, their profile, and their social status with them. It was like having a single passport for an entire digital country. This wasn't just about convenience, it was a brilliant strategy. It created a powerful network effect. The more friends you had on Gree, the more valuable the platform became, and the less likely you were to ever leave. It was a digital web, and users were happily caught in it. The next challenge was the chaotic world of early mobile phones. The mobile landscape was a fragmented battlefield of different manufacturers, operating systems, and screen sizes. A game that worked on one phone might not work on another. Tanaka's team tackled this with a relentless focus on cross-platform integration. He needed to bridge these gaps. He thus built his technology to be flexible technology, a universal translator for social features. Whether you were on a flip phone or a smartphone, your list of friends, your chat messages, and your high scores were always there. This strategy was supercharged in 2011 when Gree acquired OpenFaint, a popular mobile social gaming platform from the West. It was a bold move, absorbing a massive network of millions of users and developers overnight, instantly giving Gree a global footprint and cementing its platform as the go-to place for social gaming on any device. So, how did Gree make its money? The genius was in the freemium model. Tanaka understood a fundamental piece of human psychology. People love getting things for free. Look, here's a free gift. This was a stroke of genius. Every game on Gree was free to download and play. You could enjoy the core experience without ever spending a yen. But within that free world were tempting shortcuts and desirable items. This is where the magic happened. For a small payment, you could pull a virtual lever and get a random in-game item. It might be a common sword, or it might be a super rare, ultra-powerful dragon card. The thrill of that chance, the what-if, was incredibly compelling and highly profitable. This turned free-to-play games into billion-dollar revenue streams. Not by forcing people to pay, but by making them want to. Finally, Tanaka knew he couldn't build this empire alone. He needed an army of creators. He needed an army of gamers. So, he built a game development ecosystem, opening the Gree platform to third-party developers. He provided them with the tools, the social APIs, the payment systems, the gaming framework, and let their creativity run wild. This transformed Gree from just a game company into a bustling digital marketplace, like a giant app store dedicated entirely to social games. This strategy flooded the platform with a constant stream of new and diverse content, from puzzle games to role-playing epics, all connected by that core Gree social fabric. In 2007, Gree itself launched Fishing Star, widely considered the world's first true mobile social game. It wasn't just about catching digital fish. It was about showing off your biggest catch to your friends and competing on leaderboards. It was a simple, powerful demonstration of Tanaka's entire philosophy. Technology is at its best, not when it isolates us with screens, but when it uses those screens to bring us closer together. Thank you for watching. Come back soon for our next video.